Each day, an astonishing 4 million McDonald's chicken nuggets are sold worldwide. These delicious, small, and crispy pieces of chicken are crafted from a unique paste. But have you ever wondered how these iconic McDonald's nuggets are made? Let's take a tour of one of their suppliers' factories to unveil the incredible industrial process behind these beloved nuggets. Chicken nuggets were invented in the 1950s in the United States. At that time, a food company named Tyson Foods designed a machine capable of cutting and shaping chicken into small, uniform pieces, which were then breaded and fried. This innovative chicken processing method made producing chicken-based foods in large quantities easier and more cost-effective. McDonald's chicken nuggets were introduced as an alternative to the classic hamburger. Their popularity soared in the 1970s as the fast food restaurant chain began including them in their menus. The chef at McDonald's developed a recipe that involved ground breaded fried chicken served in small nugget-shaped portions. This recipe was a big hit, and chicken nuggets became a staple item on the McDonald's menu. Chicken nuggets quickly became one of the most popular products at McDonald's. The company collaborated with Tyson Foods to develop a product that was easy to cook and had a pleasant flavor. The production process of McDonald's chicken nuggets starts at the Tyson Foods plant in Tennessee, one of the 5 facilities in the United States that manufactures nuggets for McDonald's. This massive factory covers several hectares and employs a large number of people. The initial step in producing McDonald's chicken nuggets involves selecting and cleaning chicken breasts. This involves separating the meat from the skin and other unused parts. An assembly line process sees a machine transporting hundreds of chickens to a dissection area. Workers place each chicken on a cone-shaped support, freeing up their hands for the crucial task of using well-sharpened knives to easily separate the skin, remove the breasts, and make swift cuts. It's crucial for the workers to keep their knives sharp and clean every 5 chickens or so. The next step involves extracting the fillets, the meat situated under the breasts. This process systematically breaks down the chicken into usable portions. Notably, not all parts of the chicken end up in the nuggets. Only the fillets and breast meat are used, while the rest is repurposed for other McDonald's dishes. After cutting the pieces, another group of workers separates the chicken skin from the breasts. However, the skin isn't discarded. It's reserved and later added to the nuggets to enhance flavor and serve as a binder. Subsequently, a cleaning process removes any remnants of bone, skin, or cartilage, ensuring a high-quality, impurity-free final product. Once the chicken breasts are cleaned, they are sliced into small pieces and ground into a uniform paste. The selected chicken breast meat is collected in a large container for further processing. The container filled with chicken breast meat is then fed into the grinder. Next, the container is lifted and emptied into the grinder for the meat to be ground. The ground chicken paste exits through a large opening onto a mobile conveyor belt, transporting it to the next production phase. This paste is entirely made from white meat. The paste undergoes a cooling process to achieve the suitable temperature for further processing. The conveyor belt moves the raw chicken to a state-of-the-art mixer, where it's combined with other ingredients. These additions include salt, starch, water, chicken skin, yeast extract, canola oil, spices, flavorings, sodium phosphates, and antioxidants to maintain flavor over the nugget's shelf life, and finally, some rosemary extracts. These ingredients enhance the taste, texture, and overall quality of the final product. Salt is utilized to enhance the chicken's flavor, while starch helps maintain the paste's consistency. Once the chicken paste is blended with all the ingredients, factory workers move the container to the next phase of production. The mixed chicken paste is then transferred to another shaping machine, where it's formed into the familiar nugget shape. First, the machine flattens the mixture under considerable pressure. Then, the flattened mixture is passed through various shaped cutters. The chicken paste is forced through a machine that molds it into the desired shape. The nuggets are cut into uniform sizes and shapes to ensure consistency. Freshly formed nuggets are placed on a conveyor belt that carries them to a machine that coats them with beaten egg before being coated with a thin layer of breadcrumbs, creating their signature crispy texture. Following this, the nuggets are coated with another layer, a broth made from a different set of flavorful ingredients like white pepper and celery. The final layer unique to chicken nuggets is a thicker batter compared to previous ones, consisting of wheat and corn flour, starches, and a preserving agent that gives the special flavor to the nuggets. After being coated with at least 3 layers of batter, the conveyor belt transports the nuggets to a fryer, where they are fried at high temperatures for a few minutes. The brief frying time is primarily to set the coating and achieve the crispy texture. However, the chicken beneath the coating remains uncooked during this stage. Upon leaving the fryer, the nuggets undergo rapid freezing, a critical process for preserving product freshness and quality. The nuggets are placed in a freezing chamber at a temperature of approximately -18 degrees Celsius for a short period, usually a few minutes. This process prevents the formation of large ice crystals, which could compromise texture and flavor. It also preserves nutritional quality and maintains the nuggets' flavor and texture during storage and transportation. Once frozen, the nuggets are transported by another conveyor belt to another machine, where they are packaged and sealed in boxes. Some batches are taken to the factory kitchen for frying and evaluation based on color, shape, and flavor. Subsequently, they are ready to be shipped to their final destination. The factory can package 1,000 nugget bags in a minute. The frozen nuggets are packed into boxes and loaded onto a transportation vehicle that takes them directly to McDonald's restaurants. The final stages of production occur in McDonald's restaurants. Upon arrival, the nuggets are removed from the freezer and thawed in the restaurant's refrigerator. They are then placed in the fryer basket and submerged in hot oil. The oil's temperature and cooking time are regulated by a timer and thermostat to ensure proper cooking. Special fryers with a consistent temperature of around 180 degrees Celsius are used. The nuggets cook for approximately 3 minutes until they are golden and crispy on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside. After achieving the desired golden and crispy texture, the nuggets are removed from the fryer and placed on a tray. These trays are placed in a machine that maintains their temperature. When an order comes in, the chicken nuggets are placed in boxes and delivered to customers. From the selection and preparation of chicken breasts to the final frying and packaging, it's a complex and carefully controlled process to ensure that customers can enjoy the same delicious and crispy nuggets at any McDonald's restaurant around the world. If you want to know how Magnum ice creams are made, watch the video on your screen. Like the video if you have enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to this channel by activating notifications to keep learning. Thank you for watching.